It's me. Okay, so earlier, like a couple of hours ago, I uploaded a video of me unboxing. So, unboxing 2, where I got this, right? And she is good. She came with this. But what we originally did, because on the puppet where I said it's okay, it doesn't look that bad, we wanted to return it, but she said the other one I'm going to get for free. So this one's gonna be used for monetize. I'm gonna add stuff to. I'm gonna add details for it. This one might be for a video, like a twin video or something. Okay. So don't think, oh, you're not gonna do anything to it. I already know you're not. You're just being a big fat liar. No, I'm not. Cause y'all know I do stuff with my characters. Y'all know I modified them. I modify things that are going to be good for YouTube. So anyone out there saying, you're not going to modify that one? And yes, I am. Because I thought we were going to have to mail it and ship it back to Melissa and Doug, I guess. Doug? It doesn't matter. Because she said she was sorry that I have to see something like this. So she said she would send me a new one. So all I said was, okay, that's fine. Okay, why is the camera blank? Okay, no. But yeah, this might be used for a lot of videos. And you're like, well, it's stupid. It has something sticking out right there, and its eyeball's messed up. No, it can be used for videos. I just can't tell. It might not look cool, but it's still going to be able to be used for episodes. It's just that this one is going to go into the closet, and I'm going to have to make a bucket for my stuff, my animals, my puppets, because I can't take care of everything. You guys know I can't do everything for YouTube. And y'all are probably like, oh no, you can do everything. And if you can't do anything, like, why don't you just quit? Well, no, because all that hate and language doesn't really hurt me. Okay, what the heck? I can't take this off. God damn. It sounds like I'm pooping in the background. So give you guys 1 second. Okay, so back to what I was saying. You can, look, you can move everything. It can talk. Look. What you up to, man? But I can. I'm gonna have to keep putting the camera right there. But I can modify this one. And plus, it can be used for many of videos. Like, y'all just don't know this because some of y'all don't know how hard it is to try and put up videos. And yeah, and for example, my dad, he's like, you're not gonna do anything. You won't be able to make a video on time. Well, I can, because all I have to do is just put it together and it'll be worth it. Because I know how hard it is for trying to do this stuff. And it's hard to do it for YouTube because you can't do it all at once. We're not superheroes. So give me guys 1 second. Okay, sorry if I said this video and I didn't say pause, but I was trying to say I'm gonna pause this video. But one thing I can say is that, okay, say for instance your favorite YouTuber. I'm gonna go for my cousin's favorite YouTuber, Jelly. You know how he records video games and stuff? I mean, I don't like Jelly that much, so because I don't like watching videos with too much very inappropriate language. That's not really me anymore. I mean, you're probably you used to? And yes, but it's just it can't be your thing. You might see me watching TV and it has cuss words. Well, that's because it's my favorite show. That's why I don't watch Jelly. Jelly he's a curse. He's a cursor. But he's alright. Just don't watch him that much, because that's gonna lead you to that. And yeah, just yes, because he will be able to be featured in a lot of videos. Yeah. And then he's featured. He's gonna be featured in so many. But oh, guy, I just put my pants. You put your pants, didn't you? Honey, you're such a bad boy. And then I can't put them in crates yet. I need to clean out boxes and stuff so they can go in there because they need to. Ew. They look like they kissed. Ew. No, they didn't. This one I like the most. Oh, the tablet fell. Oh, the tablet fell. But this one I like the most because it came with a mask for her face. And I'll keep like things that came with the puppet. Like I have their sticks, and there's like 3 of them. They're those wooden sticks. I'll keep them in separate boxes. These like stuff that goes on their face, that will be kept in a box, and the sticks will be kept in a bag, and the puppets will be kept in boxes or crates. To my eye. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you need some surgery? It's not that hard. No, I think it is. What? Yeah, you need surgery. Yeah. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. Oh my god. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And it's summer already, so there's going to be a lot of videos posted during the summer. And why do I don't like this? But yeah, there's going to be a lot of videos posted in the summer. So I hope y'all enjoy them. And yeah, I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye. Bye.